Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OE level past paper. Today we shall start paper 4 mechanics, May June 2023. In paper 4 mechanics session May June 2023, we shall discuss question number 1. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. For the online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In paper 4 mechanics session May June 2023, we shall discuss question number 1. In question number 1, the statement is a particle of mass 1.63 kg is dropped from a height of 9 meter above the horizontal ground. The speed of the particle at the instant before hitting the ground is 12 meter per second. Find the work done against the air resistance. So we shall find out the work done against the air resistance when a particle is dropped from the height of 9 meter. So first of all, in the solution section, we shall discuss the given data for the question. The given data is as the particle is at rest in the start, so its initial velocity will be equal to 0. After that, as the particle has a height 9 meter, so its s is equal to 9 meter. And its velocity near to the ground is equal to 12 meter per second as given in the question statement. And its mass is 1.6. Using the equation of motion, v square minus u square equal to 2as. By putting the value of v and u, after simplification, we get a equal to 8 meter per second square. Now, according to the Newton's second law of motion, as a particle is moving downward, so it means that the weight is greater than the air resistance. So we shall have W minus R equal to ma by using the Newton's second law of motion. The resultant force is W minus R because W is greater than the resistance, so we are subtracting resistance from the weight. W minus R equal to ma. So by putting the value of, we know that W equal to mg, value of m is 1.6 and R is at is m is 1.6 and a. After simplification, as we have calculated in the above step, a is equal to 8. After simplification, we get 16 minus r equal to 12.a. After simplification, r is equal to 3.2. We know that work done is equal to the force into distance covered by the force. So the force is the resistance and the distance covered by the body. So r into d. D is equal to 9 meter as the particle is above the ground is equal to 9 meter and the resistance force is equal to 3.2 as we have calculated in the above step. So the work done is 28.8 joules. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.